Hello dear friends, this is Jack here. Today we are going to review the Rocco and the in white. So these are double cab Rocco units. So stay tuned, I'll be right back after a brief intro. Okay. Hello dear friends, this is a Jim Autos presentation. We export right-hand drive vehicles from Thailand, Australia, UK, Hong Kong and Japan, and left-hand drive vehicles from United States, Canada, Dubai, Oman and Europe. Our website is toyota-dealer.org/WP1. Thank you guys. Guys, back here again, Jack. So these are two identically looking Rocco units. So in white and double cab. So we'll start in the front. So this is the distinctive grille of the new 2018 model. The only thing, of course, Rocco is that this is on the top and the side is all titanium, and in the regular one it will be chrome. So looks very nice. And as you know, this is the prominent Toyota logo, and the bottom is the air intake. So the ugly air intake on top for the intercooler is gone. So here is where it draws sustenance, and good opportunity to show you the lip that is underneath, and titanium. And this is unique to, of course, Rocco. No other has. The regular one does not have this lip. So guys, here is the light, LED light, and projector like headlamps, and daylight running light on top. And here's the distinctive fog light. And also for Rocco, the housing, this is the housing, this is in titanium. Okay, looks very nice. And for balance, I'll show you on the other side as well. Here guys, here looks beautiful, very nice. Okay guys, and I'll just walk around and give you. Okay, so here we go. This is the distinctive fender flare, white. And what really sells Rocco, has been a super hit, they can't make enough of them, are these tires, and Grand Trek Dunlop tires with the white lighting, white writing. And here's the rim, is distinctive rim, very popular, and people are asking us to place it on their non-Rocco, so but short in supply anyway. And here's the side mirror. This is also dark for the Rocco, and so we'll just do a walk around. So guys, remember, we offer full range of Thailand vehicles, from pickup trucks, SUVs, multi-purpose vehicles, vans, wagons, trucks, commercial trucks, and buses. And also guys, see, this is the distinctive roll bar. Here it is. So for Rocco. And of course the rim again, another look, and the Rocco sticker. And we'll see, take another look. This is the light, and this is again titanium in the rear. Also here lip, and camera, which is in all Revo double cab, but this here looks nice on the automatic. Okay guys, so very nice looking truck. The rear light, and the closer look at the light. And I was saying sticker. So any, you can imagine Thailand vehicle, from what you say, Toyota Hilux Revo, of course, and the Rocco version, the TRD version, and as you know, a Toyota Hilux Revo in use with exporting, and also Nissan Navara NP300, Mitsubishi Triton, and Toyota Fortuner, of course. And we also export full range of right-hand drive vehicles, of course, from Thailand and Australia. So for instance, if you need from Australia, Toyota Land Cruiser, Lexus LX570, Toyota Prado, so anything you can imagine. I'm just still walking around. So this is the other white Revo Rocco, guys. So they look nice. So since we have reviewed one, seen the outside, I'll just walk around so you see. And this another review close by. So right-hand drive vehicle, as I said, from United Kingdom as well. So some of the luxury vehicles and some trucks, four-wheel drive commercial trucks we are also exporting. So and New Zealand also some vehicles, Hong Kong and Japan and Singapore. And guys, we also export full range of left-hand drive vehicles, and includes of course Dubai, Oman, and from US, Canada and Europe. So anything you need, we have it, guys. Just ask. So, and prices, our prices are the best in the world for the quality. With our quality, we make no compromise on the quality. So here again, and this time we also let's take a look at. It's been raining, so some water, but it will be clean before it is exported. So see, guys, it's been raining, all cloudy. So that's the cost of having a green country. Anyway, guys, let's see. Let's take a look on the inside. And this is also dark. And guys, see, dark interior. So this shade of leather. And see the sewing. The quality of sewing is very nice. All the controls, window controls. And guys, plenty of speakers here all over. The sound system is fantastic. And here we go. The driver seat is all the driver control, power seat, and you'll see the quality here is fantastic. This is also Rocco. See what beautiful seat. Leather, beautiful leather. And here also, see the quality of sewing is very fantastic. And the gear knob, all, and the eco mode and the power mode, everything on your fingertips. And of course the gear, shiny gear. And this is the all the controls, steering controls. And see all the controls on at your fingertips. And what also make it Rocco distinctive is meter. His meter is unique. See, from the regular. Very nice. Looks beautiful. So yeah, very nice. Wonderful. Here's the monitor display and the radio, AC controls. So this is the AC and automatic and all the other controls, and plenty of placeholders for everything you need. Passenger side, this has 7 airbags, so passenger side, driver side. So this is the cooler, and you can put 2 milliliter bottles. See, plenty of room for 2 bottles. And see, guys, very nice. The quality is amazing. Sound, but even though it's raining, guys, I'm hot. It's a hard day today. What a relief. So anyway, let's see the rear. And more black, very impressive. Speakers, as I said, plenty of speakers. And see, now that those were, we can now have a better look at the seats. So there is no scrimping on seat heating, very well designed. So and you can, if you are only there are only two travelers, you can have put your drinks here, and AC controls, and plenty of room to put your stuff. And this is very nice, guys. Amazing car, well worth its price. Good looking car. Anyway, and well worth the wait. Hopefully the weight will be reduced, but the regular auto is in stock, but Rocco, yeah guys, you have to wait. So anyway guys, and if you need to reach me for any reason, just either to give me feedback or to buy a car, just my email is jim12cars@gmail.com. 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 And also my mobile number, my cell number, WhatsApp, Viber is +66 89 106 5701. +66 89 106 5701. So guys, call me. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I should have said that earlier, but a little slow today. Anyway, just too hot to think. So guys, I'm adding new videos. I have been remiss last 2 weeks, but generally, I'm adding 2-3 videos every week. So anyway guys, don't forget to give your feedback, and need subscriber. The channel is growing, and also feedback is important, because this is a new channel, so I am learning and incorporating a feedback as I learn. Okay guys, take care, bye. We offer full range of Thailand vehicles: Toyota Revo, Vigo, Fortuner, Ford Ranger, Wildtrak, Navara 9P300, and any Thai pickup, SUV, trucks, and also we export from Thailand, Australia, UK, USA, Dubai, Japan, Hong Kong, and all our cars are on sale. Okay, thanks for watching guys, it's been fun, and a like would be appreciated. Please leave comments, and please subscribe. We're adding new videos every day. Thanks.